Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DeXe. In my last video on DeXe, I was showing you how price line of DeXe broke out the resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern, but it is rejected by this next resistance and now having some correction. And in today's analysis, we will take a look at this correction and we will analyze, is there any possibility for the price line to start another reversal from here and to break out the next resistance, or are we going to break down this next support? But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me and join me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. I've shared the links to join me there in the video's description. You can find there. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to share my recent trade setup with you that I shared for my members at the Patreon and for YouTube members as well. And that is a DeXe harmonic move, and I shared this idea 2 days ago on 3rd of September when the price line of DeXe completed a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern. And by the way, this pattern was formed on the 2-hour time frame chart, and before this, DeXe formed this harmonic Gardley move that I have also shared with my members as well on 20th of July. And this is the previous one, and after this I will take you to the most recent one. And you can see this was our buying zone and this was our sell zone. And by the way, this is the previous one. It was formed with Bitcoin pair, and if I play this chart, then you can see that how beautifully it pumped very well and even rallied beyond these sell targets. And this is the most recent one that I shared, this one almost 2 days ago. And I told my members that from here we can expect a small drop to complete this final leg, and then we can buy it from this buying zone that I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this cipher pattern that was starting from $2.91 and goes to $2.85. And this pattern was formed with US dollar pair. Therefore, now I'm telling you the values in US dollar. And our selling targets were from $3.01 and goes to $3.11. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line moved more down, completed this leg here, dropped up to $2.90, and after that it rallied very well. You can see that was a quite big pump again. Now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that DeXe has already broken out the resistance of this very big falling wedge pattern, and we have seen this breakout in my previous video as well. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, and we can see it was more than 120% pump, and after that it is rejected by this next resistance of $4.15. And if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see that we have retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And we have, after this drop, by the way, we have also tested our key support that we have at $2.60. And by the way, this level has been breaking as a strong support here back in June 2021 as well, and here for several weeks it has worked as a nice support. And now we can see that it is not able to break out this resistance of $4.15, and this level has been breaking as a resistance here. You can see for the past several weeks or months, this level is breaking very strong resistance. And after that, our next resistance will be here at $5.63, and previously this level has been breaking at a very strong support here for several weeks, and here as a resistance. And after that, our next resistance will be here at $7.70. That has been breaking as a strong resistance here. Even for several weeks and months, it has been very strong resistance, and before that, it was breaking as a resistance here as well. And after that, our next target, next resistance will be at $11. And it has been breaking as a very strong support here. You can see for several weeks, even months, it has been breaking very strong support, and here as a resistance. And this will be our final target. After breaking out this wedge, this will be our final target, that is at $20. And by the way, we need to break out first this very strong resistance, and once we will be able to break out this resistance of $4.15, then I'm expecting that soon we can also achieve this very big move, and this target as well, that is at $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. I've shared the links to join me there in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.